Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between the Swiffer Deluxe mopping kit compared to the Amazon Basics 2-in-1 dry mopping kit. So right off the bat, I do like the Swiffer Deluxe better. And the main reason I like it better is for putting on the different mop pads. Now, they both come with their own mop pads, but they are interchangeable. I could put the Swiffer wet pads on the Amazon Basics, and same with the Amazon Basics onto the Swiffer. But let me show you right here. Here's the Amazon Basics, its pad. You know, they're very similar, but let's get its pad. Its scrubbers are right in the middle. The Swiffer is going to be a little bit different. They both have these ears. Open up the ears, take the pad, and this is where the Swiffer is better. Putting these in is just, they eventually go, but you have to push in. And it's a little harder to push in sometimes if you grab a bunch more material. Now let me show you on the Swiffer. Again, nice padded action. They both swivel real well. They both have a nice aluminum handle. It's sturdy. The scrubber action on the Swiffer is at the end, which makes it a little nicer. Okay, open up your ears. Now, normally on the Swiffer, I can just press once, and then they sort of stay. These are like, it doesn't hurt my finger pushing in. That's kind of a harder plastic. This is a softer plastic that seems to grip it a little bit easier. Now again, both of them, 4-foot handle. They both swivel real easy. Here we can see the Swiffer is a little bit bigger, but the Amazon Basics, its handle's nice. Again, they're both 4 feet long. I'm doing wet mopping right now. Yeah, they both feel really good in your hand. Again, they both swivel, glide real easy. The scrubbing action is on the end on this one. So if you lock the handle, then I can scrub like that. Whereas over here on this one, the scrubber is like in the middle. So I would just have to kind of like scrub on the floor there. Both of them I can get into the corners real easy. Swiffer might be a little easier. Yeah, it's more of a square design where that's got rounded corners. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.